This video is intended to provide you with information to explain what can happen and what does happen when a tire fails. The most common type of tire failure in a modern steel-belted radial tire is what's referred to as a tread separation. A tread separation happens when the tread, the part of the rubber that meets the road, and the top steel belt of the tire, which is also covered with rubber on its underside, detach from the remainder of the tire and separate. This is a very basic diagram of a steel-belted radial tire. The tread separation involves this steel belt, what we've called the top steel belt, and the tread leaving the rest of the tire. So let's look at a tire that has been dissected so that you can see these critical components that are at issue when your tire fails. This is a cutaway of a tire. It has a body ply, a number 1 steel belt, and a number 2 steel belt, as well as the tire tread. In this particular design, the tire will typically fail at the edges of the steel belts. That's where the failure will begin. It's because this is where the greatest stress is on the tire during the process of the tire rolling through its contact area with the ground. To prevent these catastrophic top belt and tread separations, some manufacturers have included a safety feature known as a nylon cap ply. Tires with nylon cap plies are significantly more durable. They're more resistant to these tread separations that lead to accidents. This animation shows the tire on the vehicle. We cut into the tire and we see its components, the tread and the inner liner. Looking after the tread is removed, we see the top steel belt and the bottom steel belt. Stresses between the two steel belts are what leads for the top steel belt and tread to separate. Here the crack begins, and the stress causes separation between the two belts. As the tire rotates through its contact patch, the separation grows and the tread separates. The information in this video is really just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what needs to be known and what should be done when a defective tire causes an injury. At our firm's website, there's additional information. If you don't find it on the website, feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call. The number you can reach us at is 1-866-523-1603.